My name is Adrien and I'm leading the flight software team here at Reflex. My day-to-day tasks are every day very different. As a lead, I'm of course touring my team members. I'm doing some planning and schedule of the tasks and work that has to be done. But I also have the time to do some technical and hands-on work, so developing new features, fixing bugs, and also helping with in-orbit activities. Something that people usually don't know about satellites is that it's actually pretty basic and pretty simple because we need to make sure that things work and keep working for a long time, because we cannot simply go up there and fix things if something goes wrong. Reflex is still a small company, so we have a lot of freedom and opportunities in which tasks and what we do. But we are also a growing company with a lot of upcoming satellites in development and a lot of challenges to take.